Welcome back to the AutoVexo. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most powerful and visually striking luxury SUVs on the road, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade LARTE Design Edition. This isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a statement of power, prestige, and individuality. Cadillac's legendary Escalade V already delivers exceptional performance and premium comfort, but LARTE design elevates it to an entirely new level with an aggressive exterior makeover. Premium carbon fiber components, and unmistakable road presence. Whether you're a fan of high-performance SUV, luxury vehicles, or custom automotive design, this Escalade LARTE edition offers a unique combination of muscle, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. Throughout this review, we'll examine every detail, from its dramatic exterior styling to its handcrafted interior, its supercharged V8 engine, advanced technology, impressive driving dynamics, and the exclusive features that make this custom SUV one of the most desirable luxury vehicles. Available today. Starting with the exterior, the Escalade LARTE design immediately commands attention. The front fascia has been completely transformed with a redesigned carbon fiber front splitter, larger air intakes, and a distinctive custom grille that gives the SUV an even more aggressive personality. The signature Cadillac vertical LED daytime running lights remain, but they are now framed by sculpted aerodynamic elements that emphasize the vehicle's width and muscular stance. The hood features additional styling enhancements, while carbon fiber accents throughout the front end provide both visual impact and lightweight durability. Every body panel appears more athletic, giving the Escalade an unmistakable performance-inspired appearance. Moving to the side profile, the wide body, large premium alloy wheels, low-profile performance tires, and custom side skirts create an imposing presence. Carbon fiber mirror caps, black trim, tinted windows, and subtle LARTE design branding reinforce the SUV's exclusive character. Despite its massive dimensions, the Escalade maintains elegant proportions that balance luxury with aggression. At the rear, the transformation continues with a redesigned rear bumper, carbon fiber diffuser, roof spoiler, and distinctive quad exhaust outlets. The full-width LED lighting signature ensures the Escalade remains instantly recognizable, both day and night. Step inside, and you'll discover one of the most luxurious interiors in the SUV segment. Premium semi-aniline leather, handcrafted wood veneers, carbon fiber trim, suede accents, and precision stitching surround every passenger in comfort. LARTE design can further personalize the cabin with bespoke upholstery colors, embroidered logos, custom floor mats, and unique trim combinations, making each vehicle truly one of a kind. The dashboard is dominated by Cadillac's advanced curved OLED display, integrating the digital instrument cluster, infotainment system, and driver information into one seamless interface. Navigation, smartphone connectivity, voice commands, entertainment, climate controls, and vehicle settings are all easily accessible. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and an AKG Studio reference premium sound system provide an exceptional in-cabin technology experience. The audio quality is rich, immersive, and perfectly complements the vehicle's luxurious atmosphere. Passenger comfort is second to none. Heated, ventilated, and massaging front seats offer extensive power adjustments, while second row, captain's chairs deliver executive-class comfort. Even the third row provides generous space for adults, making the Escalade ideal for family trips, executive transportation, or long-distance travel. Now let's discuss performance. Under the hood lies Cadillac's legendary 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing approximately 682 horsepower and 653 pounds-ft of torque. This remarkable engine transforms the SV into one of the fastest full-size luxury SUVs in the world. Power is delivered through a smooth and responsive 10-speed automatic transmission paired with a sophisticated four-wheel drive system. Despite weighing well over 3 tons, the Escalade V accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.4 seconds, delivering sports car-like performance in a full-size luxury SUV. The supercharged V8 produces an unmistakable soundtrack. From its deep idle to its thunderous acceleration, every press of the throttle reminds you that this SUV belongs to Cadillac's high-performance B-Series family. Handling is surprisingly agile thanks to magnetic ride control 4.0, adaptive air suspension, and an electronic limited slip differential. These systems continuously adjust suspension settings to deliver exceptional comfort during everyday driving while maintaining excellent body control. During spirited driving, steering is precise for a vehicle of this size, while high-performance Brembo brakes provide outstanding stopping power. Whether navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or driving through winding roads, the Escalade V remains composed and confidence-inspiring. Technology extends far beyond entertainment. Cadillac equips the Escalade V with Super Cruise hands-free driving assistance, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic, alert, automatic emergency braking, night vision, surround view cameras, parking assistance, traffic sign recognition, and driver attention monitoring. Multiple drive modes allow drivers to tailor the SUV's behavior. Tour mode emphasizes comfort, sport sharpens throttle response and steering, while V mode unlocks the Escalade's full performance potential by customizing engine, suspension, transmission, and exhaust settings. Practicality remains one of the Escalade's strongest attributes. With spacious seating for up to 7 passengers and a generous cargo area, it combines executive luxury with everyday usability. Folding rear seats further expand cargo capacity, making the SUV ideal for road trips and family adventures. Compared with rivals such as the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63, BMW Alpina XB7, Range Rover SV, Lincoln Navigator Black Label, and Jeep Grand Wagoner Series 3, the Escalade V LARTE design stands out through its bold American styling, thunderous V8 performance, extensive customization, and commanding road presence. Exclusivity is another major advantage. LARTE Design produces its customization packages in limited numbers, ensuring that owners enjoy a level of uniqueness rarely found in the luxury SUV market. Every body kit is carefully engineered and professionally installed, preserving factory quality while dramatically enhancing visual appeal. Ultimately, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V LARTE Design Edition represents the perfect fusion of American luxury, high-performance engineering, and bespoke customization. It offers breathtaking styling, exceptional comfort, cutting-edge technology, astonishing V8 performance, and everyday practicality in one unforgettable package. If you're searching for one of the world's most exclusive luxury performance SUVs, this custom Escalade deserves serious consideration. It isn't just transportation, it's a statement of success, confidence, and individuality. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review of the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V LARTE Design Edition, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more luxury car reviews, supercar showcases, and the latest automotive news. See you in the next video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe.